How to delete all your Facebook posts at once. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply delete all your Facebook posts at once. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Facebook application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you're going to go and tap on the profile icon that is at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, what you're going to do is and you're gonna go and tap on the three dotted option that is just right beside the edit profile in your home screen. Once you tap on it, a series of options and a new page would appear up in which you're going to go and look for the activity log. Once you tap on it, a new page similar to this one would open up in which you're going to go and tap on your posts. So once you do that, you're going to go into the photos and videos, posts from other apps, text, updates, check-in notes. So what you're going to do is manage your posts. Once you tap on it, a new page is going to appear up. Once you go on it, hence a page has appeared up. It consists of all our posts from the time we have made a Facebook. So what I'm going to do to delete all the posts at once is going to check in the all option, and once I just tap on the trash button or hit on the trash button, all of my selected posts would get deleted immediately. This is how you do it. This is how you delete all the Facebook posts at once. So I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.